Football.
You forgot something else.
My
Your juice. Do you want Mummy to carry it?
Okay.
Because you've got lots of stuff. Yeah?
I'll carry it.
Okay.
Why?
Is it cold? It is cold. First job of the day, get fire going. I need to order some more. It's Sunday today, babe. I need to order some more logs. Or order some more logs. Oh shit, I haven't actually had any logs. I am.
They're not Monday.
No, Monday's tomorrow, baby. I've got to try and put this back in now without burning my hand off.
Monday tomorrow.
Monday's tomorrow, babe. Right, get that in. Oh god. Oh god. What have I done? Get in there. There we go. We're alright. Yeah, I haven't actually had any logs. I've just been using the ones that our next door neighbour gave us. I've not got very many left. So I need to actually order some. I look like a bag of smashed crabs. You're welcome. Nana and Grandad are here. They're upstairs. We've just given the kids baths. And Jane has sorted out the curtains in Fox's room. Tim has checked my oil for me, filled my coal scuttle up, and told me what I need to get when I want to replace the shower in my ensuite, and also has agreed to help me build like a built-in wardrobe for Mika. Me and Jane have put some hooks up here because my mum gave me some old curtains, so we're going to put them, like, there's no way because this is like a lintel up here, so you can't screw into it. So I've just got like some hooks off Amazon. Each one can apparently hold 33 pounds. So we've just put them up, and then we're going to put the curtains up, which are now going to have a Binksy shape on them. They're really nice thick lined curtains, so I'm going to hang them up there in the hopes that it'll keep some warmth in. I'm making my Christmas gravy, but I'm doing it in the slow cooker. I don't know why I've never done it in the slow cooker before. It smells so good. And I'm making pizza dough. That is what the kids wanted to have for dinner with Nana and Grandad tonight, is pizza. So I've made pizza dough. It's in the airing cupboard. Let's have a look. Oh, they've left the bloody Play-Doh out. Let's have a look at this pizza dough and see what it's like. Hey, Banana. Hey, Banana. Hey, Banana. Oh, it looks good. It looks good, pizza dough. Yes. So that looks good. We thought it would be more fun to make homemade pizzas. And pizza dough, when you buy it, is so expensive. And like, this was literally like, I don't know, cost me like £1 to make, and it's going to make like 6 pizzas. Apparently we're having a cuddle. Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. Who's my banana boy? You can come up. Or do you want water? Yum, yum, yum. Oh, no, he just wants his mummy. He just wants his mummy. Come on, yum. He's not as cuddly as Binksy, but, like, he wants to be. He's just absolutely ginormous. Oh, Bandit. He doesn't really know how to get up, and I have to hold him. He's not a hands-free cat like Binksy. He is absolutely massive. Come here, baby. Oh, Banana. Oh, Banana. Someone made me laugh the other day. They commented on the introduction video of the cat saying, oh my god, I thought Banana and Bandit were 2 different cats. It's just you, isn't it? It's just you. Oh, my Banana. Oh, yeah, he doesn't really know what to do. He wants to climb up, but he doesn't know how. He's just a baby. He's just a baby. He's just a baby. Boop. I don't know where Gary is. Where's Gary? There he is. You're my angel boy. Oh, boy, yay. Yeah, I'm going to make some pizzas now and stop this cat from climbing into the pizzas. Me and Jane put the curtains up. I'm really pleased with them. I make the room look so different. Literally just put hooks, and then we just put tinsel along the top to hide the hooks. But they don't move obviously, so we just have to do this to get out, but I think it'll make a huge difference with keeping the room warm. Just washed everything up. Tim and Jane have just left. My gravy. Is there a cat in a cupboard? Oh shit, nearly fell over. Thought I heard a cat in a cupboard then. Oh, the girls are in there watching Home Alone 4. My gravy is here, looking good. I'm going to turn it off when I go to bed. I'm going to go and sit with the girls and watch a little bit of the film. Foxy's in bed, he's knackered. Again, he didn't make it past 5:30. Like, I just genuinely don't know how to keep him awake. Yeah, I'm going to talk to you probably tomorrow now, to be honest. It's Monday tomorrow, isn't it? Is it Monday? Yeah, it's Monday. I'll talk to you tomorrow.